Hi everyone, this video is about to explain a simple trick to balance the chemical equation. This is a topic in the first chapter of 10th science subject. Let me check it out. First of all, there will be a question comes in your mind. Why do we need to balance the chemical equation? Why? Yes, the answer, there's a number of atoms of each element should be same before and after a chemical reaction. Hence, we need to balance a skeletal chemical equation. Let us learn about balancing a chemical equation step by step. The simple steps for balancing equation, there are three simple steps. First one, balance the metals, and the second one, balance the non-metals except hydrogen and oxygen, and the third step is balance the hydrogen and oxygen. So let's check it out with an example. Here the question is HNO3 plus CaOH twice gives CaNO3 twice plus H2. First of all, we have to write the equal sides. First one is reactant side and the product side. Then write all the elements present in the reactant side. It's calcium, then nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. In the product side also the same element will be present. Then next we have to write the number of elements present in the chemical equation. So we have to check it out, the number of elements on each side. First of all, we move on to the reactant side. Here there is calcium number 1 and number of nitrogen is 1 and oxygen we get 3 plus 2 5 and hydrogen 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Next we move on to the product side. There is 1 calcium and nitrogen is 2 and oxygen 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 and hydrogen is 2. Next we have to balance the equation using the three simple steps. First step is balance the metal. Here the metal is calcium, so the number of calcium is equal in each side, so no need to balance. Next we move on to the non-metal. Balance the non-metal. Here the non-metal is nitrogen. There is a change. Okay, so in the reactant side there is 1 nitrogen and product side there is 2. So we have to balance by multiplying 2 in the reactant side. We get 2. So we have to put that coefficient number 2 in the reactant side where the nitrogen is present. Here the nitrogen is present, the reactant side is in HNO3. So we write the 2 on the HNO3 side. Next we have to move on to the third step, that is balance the hydrogen. Before that we have to calculate the number of hydrogen present in the new equation. Here 2 hydrogen plus 2. As we found out in earlier, like the 3, there is only 3 hydrogen, so it changes to 4. And here the product side there is only 2, so we can balance by multiplying 2 into 2 gives 4. So I'm writing that's 2 on the product side where the hydrogen is present. Then next move on to the balancing oxygen. By checking the number of oxygens, we here 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, so 5 becomes 8, and the product side 3 into 2 6 plus 2 and 7 becomes 8. So all the coefficients are equal and the number of elements on the reactant sides and product side are also equal. So the equation is balanced. Hence, the final equation is 2HNO3 plus CaOH twice gives CaNO3 twice plus 2H2O. Hope you like this video. Have a great day and thank you so much.